Okay, so welcome to Sunday night stream. We have a new contract now, so I'm just gonna use the new one. I think it rolls over on Tuesday. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the new one. Um, so anyway, let me get the copier going here. So did not have like a really good week last week. I ended up blowing my Apex PA account past another one, but it just wasn't ideal and not what I wanted. I just couldn't stop myself from trading, and it was very silly. I mean, I deserved it. I, deserved to lose it because I just couldn't stop myself. I was tired. I shouldn't have been trading to begin with. And, that was the result. And that's what you get whenever you do things you shouldn't be doing in the first place. So, anyway. So, yeah, we're just going to see this new contract here. I'm also going to pull this up on my Topstep X because I do want to. This combine is not too far away from passing. Just tad over $1,000 away from passing there on this combine here on Topstep. I will say this. I have done better now that I've gone back to trading ES versus NQ. But yeah, so I'm just kind of going to probably focus on ES more. And in fact, I blew up. I mean, the PA I blew up was on NQ and not ES. I just seem to do better on ES than I do NQ. I don't know why my little. There we go. Now you can see me a little bit better. I don't know why that shifted that way, but oh well. Make sure I have my microphone on because last Sunday I went up to go get some tea and then came back and forgot to turn the microphone back on. I thought we might get a little bit of bounce at open, but they're actually selling it off. So yeah, so I'm hoping to get this combine here on Topstep passed shortly, which I think I can. I'm gonna go ahead and put in an order. I want to get a little long here on around 56.13. Ah, now I see how you can do this. Let's go with 15. Let's see if they'll put me in at 15. That's kind of cool. So you can drag this on the DOM. You know what? I'm gonna buy one now, and then I'll buy another one down here at 15 if we get down there to 15. Anyway, let's go over pull up Trading View and we'll go over the how I like to set mine up for the week. Well, that law might not be a good idea because... And you know what? I wonder why they didn't roll over contract yet. You know what? So I'm going to close this out. There's $75. Let's close this out. I want to do, so yeah, Topstep X hasn't rolled over just yet. That's interesting. ESM 25. Nope. So they haven't rolled over just yet. Well, I'll have to stay on that contract then. Yeah, nothing I can do about that. But M is the new contract, ESM. So that'll be your June contract there on ES. And same with NQ, it'll be NQM. Okay. Oh, sorry for getting distracted. Okay, let's I got distracted because Topstep X hasn't rolled over their contract yet. Okay, so there's the week. I didn't do it for the actual contract yet, so I'll go ahead and do that. So always do the previous week's high and low in orange. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a fib on this wick. So give me a good idea of where they might bounce it. Okay. So right now we're at the 0.786. If we get down here to 56.45 area, which I don't know if they will tonight, but I'd like to be a buyer down through here and definitely at the 56.25 area. So I don't like that Topstep didn't roll over their contract yet. All right, I'm going to take a long here on this one. So this 50K is about $700 away from passing. I did all that on Friday actually, so go figure. And then this is a brand new one here, but these are both with Apex, and but yeah, Apex isn't running a sale right now, guys. So don't feel like you need to use my code because you don't. You know, so I would just wait until they do another sale. I don't know when they'll do another sale, but I would just wait for another sale. If they don't bounce us here at 68, I would leg in somewhere around here around 65. And 61 to 58, I'm going to be another buyer. Let's see here. I mean, there's certainly no indication of buying right now. Um, I'd really like for him to get above this for sure. But usually when they leave a long wick that like that, they will come back up through that body. So that's what I'm kind of just waiting on, a little bit of optimal entry here, in order to leg in, because I've just seen it way too many times with this long wick. They'll usually buy, as indicated here, back in February, this long wick, and then they started up here and then dropped it. So I just think that they're probably going to do a little bit of buying here soon. But that's the only problem. I'm usually off a little bit. I just don't get the perfect entry. A lot of times I'll be right on the direction, but I just don't always get the perfect entry. So we can look at gonna look back here at here at TradingView. So yeah, so 0.618 will put us down here at around 56.42. So down 25 at open. The thing is, ES loves to go down 30 to 50. So if I don't catch a little bit of a bounce here, then probably have to bail on the long idea. We'll see. See if we catch a little bit of a bounce. So another 3 points from here is 62. I'm going to go with, say, 61 would be another little optimal entry. 59 maybe. Zoom out here for a minute. I just think that they TTO'd with this long wick right here. This would create your broadening formation if they did TTO last week. That broadening formation at the top's not perfect, but you get the general idea. So if they TTO'd, then yeah, one of these little optimal entry area to go back long up through here. But yeah, I just think they may have. Kind of hard to say for sure. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, see, like right here, I mean, if they just get a slight more pullback, but maybe down into 58 area, there's some liquidity, and then back up through this range. I mean, obviously, I don't know what's going to happen. I just think that on the week they TTO'd, and because Friday was great. I mean, I caught a good portion of that run on Friday, i.e. that's how I almost passed a 50K. But yeah, so, which I was anticipating a bullish move. What got me Thursday night was they popped it and then dropped it and then went back long. So I just didn't. I tried to go short and then they popped it and I thought maybe I was wrong on the short, like it was like on an hourly candle. And then they dropped it, and then by that time the trail caught me and I blew the account. So I mean, it is what it is. I was trading really heavy. So like I said, I was very tired. Work was super stressful last week and I had no business trading and I blew it. We'll take a look at NQ. Like I said, I'm pretty much not trading it, but yeah, you almost got your little optimal entry down here. If they want to come back a little bit bullish, not a bad entry right here in my opinion. If you want to wait on the strat actionable signal, it would be above 19957. But yeah, in my opinion, probably not a bad little area to be a buyer right now. If it gets on down to about 19,820, I don't have any Trade-Evade. Um, I don't have any Trade-Evade evals. I only have the rhythmic ones right now. But yeah, I'm thinking we might get a little bit of a bounce here on NQ. Could go for one. See how it works out. We'll go ahead and look at this new contract here. Just a 5 minute. Not a whole lot of movement, that's for sure. These 760s would be my ideal entry, but definitely got to sell off a little bit here from there, which, as we know, can totally happen in Q really fast. So yeah, I'm not keen on I'm real not super keen on a long entry here on NQ just yet. I think that's another reason why I like ES, just because it moves a whole lot slower than NQ. I mean, NQ will, it'll rip you to shreds if you're in the wrong direction. And it's moving fast. I mean, it's not moving very fast right now at all, but volume must be slow. Anyway, I don't know how long I'm going to stay on stream, guys. I don't like to sit here and watch paint dry. But anyway, wait till Apex has a sale before you use my code. I just, hate to hawk my code and they're not having a sale. I don't want you guys to overpay, honestly. So yeah, but I think I am gonna give a take profit trader account a go here. I'm probably just gonna wait till next week, but because I'm pretty much just focused. I mean, Apex is my main, is the main one I trade with. But I do like the end of day at Topstep. I gotta be honest with you about that. I like the end of day drawdown. I just think it gives it's just better for the way I trade, honestly. But yeah, I really like that end of day drawdown. And I like that if you have 5 days of 200 or more, you can take half, which is what I paid myself with a couple weeks ago. So yeah, I like that as well. But I also still love with Apex that you can have 20 accounts. There's no other firm in the business that you can do that with. So I think Apex still holds the advantage there. I will say this: I feel like Apex's rules have forced me to be a better trader. I just don't always stick to their rules. So that's on me, though, not on them. But yeah, like I said, I really do like the end of day drawdown. So, well, I'm glad I didn't take that long. Yeah, but anyway, just kind of some slow movement here. Let's see, where am I on? I still in that ES trade? Yes. Not good. So let's hope we get a bounce right here. Where are we? 65? Yeah, if we come down to 61, I'm definitely going to get another one. Alright, so I put it in order here for 61. Let's see if it'll come down and fill me there at 61. Looks like it might. Oh, that's a nice little bounce there on NQ. Kind of swept that low there. Alright, I'm long one in Q now. I like that sweep of that low, so I think once they swept that low, I think now we may turn a little bit bullish here on NQ as well. We'll see. If they do another sweep, then I'll know I was wrong. But yeah, let's just see if we can get a pop above this here. In fact, I'll add right here. That is one thing I still got to work on is patience. It's one thing I constantly fight is patience. Anyway, okay guys, I'm going to get off here. So I hope everyone has a good night. And we'll see what the week brings us. It may be volatile this week. I don't know if there's anything on the economic calendar we need to be cognizant of. We can take a look for sure. Let's see here. I like Forex Factory for the news. We can click here on calendar. So Monday we've got core retail sales. Don't really see much else. Tuesday. This looks like a little bit of housing permits. Nothing, no red folder events. Wednesday we got FOMC. So yeah, so FOMC week on Wednesday. Thursday we got unemployment, and that looks about it. So Wednesday and Thursday could get a little volatile for sure. So all right, hope you guys have a good night. I'm gonna get off here and take care.